in Excel, boost your spreadsheet skills. Welcome to the channel. We will discuss about Excel has many powerful functions and formulas that can help you analyze and manipulate data. Some of the most useful functions include sum, count, average, and if. You can find many online resources that explain these functions in detail and provide examples of how to use them. Sum formula. The sum formula in Excel adds up a range of numbers. To use the sum formula, select the cell where you want the result to appear, then type equals sum and select the range of cells you want to add up. For example, to add up the values in cells A1 through A5, you would type equals sum A1 colon A5. Count formula. The count formula in Excel counts the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. To use the count formula, select the cell where you want the result to appear, then type equals count and select the range of cells you want to count. For example, to count the number of cells in A1 through A5 that contain numbers, you would type equals count A1 colon A5. Average formula. The average formula in Excel calculates the average of a range of numbers. To use the average formula, select the cell where you want the result to appear, then type equals average and select the range of cells you want to average. For example, to calculate the average of the values in cells A1 through A5, you would type equals average A1 colon A5. If formula. The if formula in Excel allows you to test a condition and return one value if the condition is true, and another value if the condition is false. The syntax for the if formula is equals if condition, value underscore if underscore true, value underscore if underscore false. For example, if you want to test if the value in cell A1 is greater than 10, and return yes if it is, and no if it isn't, you would type equals if A1 greater than 10, yes, no. These formulas are just a few examples of the many functions available in Excel. By using formulas in your spreadsheets, you can automate calculations and save time and